going on YouTube? Scott Led here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. It is Saturday the 22nd, and I just finished up a commercial job. Got out there early, and it was a very unique, outside of the box type job. I cleaned a bunch of rocks, like pebble style rocks. So our customer, which is one of our biggest customers, they laid down this red pebble style rock. Well, over time it's lost its color because there's mold all over, and you can't pressure wash it. So they hired us to go out there and pump spray a bunch of rocks. They paid us very nicely to do that. So kind of a weird job, but I suggested it and it worked. So the rocks look a lot better. It might be something they want to do every so often. So very easy job, literally just sprayed some chemicals and left. Now we are headed to one of our schools. It's their spring break, and we have 3 large commercial jobs lined up for this next week, but we're getting started today on these 3 jobs. So the first job is at a high school that we clean at every year. We actually have 3 different areas we're cleaning this year at this one school. And the other 2 jobs will be during the summer. But for now, we have a guy named Jesse Cunningham. He has a channel, Cunningham Clean. He's coming in from Clanton or Jemison to come help us clean these sidewalks. So it's a lot of sidewalks. It's going to be a very, very profitable day. So 1,000 times 7, if y'all can do the math, that's what we're going to make just today. And we're going to have one of the largest weeks in the history of our company. So it's going to be a very, very good week. Now we're going to be working a lot. One job that we're going to be doing, that's most of that, is soft washing a roof for a school that's been neglected for a while. So we'll be doing that Wednesday through Thursday, maybe Friday. It may be just a 2-day job, but we're going to be up on a lift, spraying 4 to 5% with a light rinse. And I got a 2-man lift, so my business partner can apply chemical, and then I'll be up there with the pressure washer getting ready to rinse. So on metal roofs, your reaction time and the mold dying happens a lot faster. And since we're going to be up on a roof, it's probably going to get hit with sun a lot faster. So I want to be there ready with fresh water to hit those spots. So that's going to be a good job, good paying job for us. I'm excited about that. We are lift certified. We went through training with an OSHA representative through a GC here. So we are certified through OSHA to operate man lifts. So this is a 130-foot articulating lift is what we're going to be working out of. So it's going to be fun. I used to be a lineman. I used to build power lines. So operating these lifts is something I know how to do. So anyways, we're going out to the high school, and I'll show you a video of all of us set up and working. We're going to divide and conquer and try to get this big job done in one day. See y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, we're out here at the high school. The other 2 guys are on the front. Me and my lead tech are on the back side cleaning all this. And I'm building a new downstream injector. This is a 2.1, so keep a vise on your truck so you can make your connections nice and tight. Always put some Teflon tape on both ends here. But the one thing I want to show you is make sure that your arrow is facing the right direction. So this is what the direction that the chem's going to pull from. So make sure you pay attention to that arrow there. So I'm gonna put some tape on there, put on my connections here, male and female, and then this is my drop stick. This is my water to chem valve here. I just turn it on and off. I actually just bought a new bypass system for my SH to downstream, so I'm gonna mount that probably right here. And then it comes with a DN10 ball valve. I'll just turn that on and off. So, but show you guys what we're gonna be cleaning. I've got the 20-inch staged over here. We cleaned this a few years ago. As you can tell, this stays in the shade, so it gets dirty very quickly. This will make for some really good before and after pictures. So anyways, I want to show you guys out about the downstream injector. I'm about to get that built and then get to work. Guys, I'm taking a little bit of a break, mainly because I'm letting my SH dwell over there on that drain. So I made the mistake over here of not letting my SH dwell long enough. So I had to go over this twice. But as you can tell, this looks good. Show you guys, I left this on purpose so you can see the difference. That's what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like now. So I'll let it sit about 5 minutes last time. I'm gonna let it sit about 15, 20 this time. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Got Junior over there on the Mini Mondo, cleaning that area. I just pre-treated all of this. This is some stubborn mold. We're gonna go down and around a good ways, about to where my spray stopped there. You can see a change there in the middle where all the SH kind of drains down. You can see that it's working very well, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more time to dwell, and then I'm gonna surface clean it, hit this wall all the way down. It is almost noon, and we're smoking this. All right, guys. I'm gonna have a little fun, and I'm gonna pull out my 4 gallon per minute for my 4 gallon per minute guys. I'm gonna clean this section with the 4 gallon. Got a little 15-inch surface cleaner on my truck. This is all my backup stuff, but I haven't ran it in a while. I mean, we're way ahead of schedule on this job, so I'm gonna back my truck up right there and use the 4 gallon on this little area. All right, let's get it. Got the 4 gallon per minute set up. See if we can get this thing cranked. Baby, 4 gallon cranked up. Keep in mind, I can change the tips on that 20-inch right there if I wanted to, but I don't feel like doing all that, so I'm just going to use this like the old school days. All right, let's see what this thing can do. Guys, that's not too bad. I'm very surprised by that. Not a bad little backup system. All right, I'm gonna go down a good ways. I'll check back with y'all in a little bit. Check it out. I've already put the 15-inch back on the truck. Got the old green tip out. I remember liking that one when I was using the 4 gallon. Got the wall cleaned up. I still have to post treat, so keep that in mind. Not bad for a 4 gallon. Not bad. Not a bad little backup system. I'm happy with that. All right, I'm gonna pump spray all this with a little half and half and be done with this. You can definitely see the difference between a 8 gallon per minute side compared to a 4 gallon. But you know what? If I got in a bind, 8 gallon went down, I can still work. So, and this little section right here took me like only about 30 minutes. So I'm happy with that. All right, guys, we are finished up 218. We are done. $7,000 by 218. I just picked me up a Chipotle, headed home to spend the rest of the day with the fam, and that's gonna make our week next week way more laid back. Jesse Cunningham with Cunningham Clean did a great job. My lead tech and myself were in the back. My business partner and Jesse Cunningham were in the front, and we knocked it out. So good day for us. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be making a video about wood cleaning, since it seems to be a very controversial topic. We can talk about it. Y'all have a great weekend. Scott Litt, Iron City Power Washing.